After having described the characteristics of the main applications contained in the JClic program, we are now ready to create a project and to integrate activities in it. So the first step is to open JClic Author. Then, go to File and click on New Project. We need to give a name to our project. For this practice session, I will name my project Module 01. But you can name it any way you want. You can see that where it says File Name, the same name has automatically appeared and the project has also been assigned to a specific folder. Leave the name of the file and folder just as the program suggests, then confirm with OK to save the project. Now we have created a new project. We can fill in some more details before beginning to create activities, such as the name of the authors. We can provide more details, but for this activity we're gonna leave it just like that. Although we have created a new project, it is still empty because there are no activities assigned yet. In order to include new activities, we need to click on the Activities tab and then click on the icon situated in the left upper corner. Once we click on the icon, it appears a selection of activities that we can choose from. For this exercise, we're going to create an information screen, which is like the cover of our project. I'm going to call this activity Cover. Let's start designing the information screen activity. We need to go to Panel. In this section, we can create and edit the content of our first activity. First, let's define the size of the window. You can do that by dragging the borders or corners of the window, like this. Also, you can assign some specific numbers in these boxes. Or using these tabs to expand or reduce the window. Once we have set the size of the window, we can add some text to it by clicking on it. I'm going to type the next title. However, I think it looks a bit small. I'm going to make it bigger. Here I can change the size of the font. I'm gonna add some shadow too. You can check at any time how the activity looks by clicking on the preview button. With that reference, you can edit anything that you think that needs to be changed. For instance, we can see that it needs some color. Let's work on that. I want to add a border to the window. Select Border and then click on the Style tab. Go to Border Width and set the size of the border. Perhaps like this. Then I want to change the color. I want to use blue. I also want to change the background. I want to use white. Let's check how it looks. If you want to change the color of the main window, you can do that too. Go to Window, and here you can change it. Let's check how it looks. Finally, we can also add an image to the game window. Let me show you how. We click on the Image tab and then click on New Media Object. We search for the object. I have saved it in the desktop. Click it, and then the program will ask if we want to copy the selected file to the projects folder. We say yes. Let's check how it looks. It looks very good. Finally, I'm going to click on the Message tab and type a message such as welcome. We can also add some color to it. I want to use the same type of color and expand the font. Let's check how it looks. As you can see, we have just created an information screen activity, or like the cover of our project. In the next video lesson, I will show you how to create more activities that will be included in the project. Thank you. See you soon.